rhythm through the crowd, drawing us closer. Her beats are venomous, captivating us all over. Black Widow, spinning her web of sound. We're caught in her rhythm, dancing all around. Her music is infectious, spreading through the night. We're trapped in the spell. Everything feels so right. Beats to the rhythm of Black Widow sound. People coming alive, letting go of their inhibitions, feeling unbound. The night is young, the music's loud, the energy's high. In the city of sin where darkness resides, a Black Widow weaves her web where passion abides. A siren's allure, a dangerous game. She ensnares her prey with a whisper of her name. In the beat of the night she dances with fire, a deadly embrace consumed by desire. Her venom flows, a bittersweet kiss, she devours her lover in a moment of bliss. Beneath the neon lights she prowls the streets, a predator in disguise with secret shame. Keeps her heart beats to the rhythm of the city's pulse, a symphony of temptation where love and danger wins. In the heat of the night she dances with fire, a deadly embrace consumed by desire. Her venom flows, a bittersweet kiss, as she devours her lover in a moment of bliss. As she devours her lover in a moment of bliss. Of bliss. Beneath of her own desire, she finds solace in the thrill of higher. But beneath the surface a longing resides, for love that transcends where darkness subsides. In the heat of the night she dances with fire, a deadly embrace consumed by desire. Her venom flows, a bittersweet kiss, she devours her lover in a moment of bliss. As she devours her lover in a moment of bliss. Of bliss. In the city of sin where shadows entwine, the Black Widow's tale a haunting design. Eye of and destruction forever entwined, a legacy of passion in the heart of mankind. In the city of sin where shadows entwine, the Black Widow's tale a haunting design. Eye and destruction forever entwined, a legacy of passion in the heart of man.